In this video I will guide you how you can disable arrow keys on laptop. Disabling arrow keys on a laptop can be done through several methods depending on whether you want a temporary software based on the block or a more permanent system level change. The PowerToys is a popular free open source utility that manages the window registry key. It is the most reliable way to remap or disable keys without having a program constantly running in the background. So PowerToys is a very user friendly. So for this you need to download the PowerToys from the Microsoft. It is an open source, you can download from internet anywhere. So once it is downloaded, go to the search bar and type PowerToys and click on the PowerToys. So once the PowerToys downloaded, and you need to open it up and then scroll down and click on the keyboard manager. Click on this arrow and make sure the keyboard manager toggle should be turned on, and then you need to click on the remap a key. Click on that and now click on this plus icon, and in the drop down box you need to click on that and now find the key which you want to block. And here is the down, right, up and left key. If you want to block the down key, you just need to select it, and in the subsequent next box you need to click on that and click on this disable, and now click to proceed. A warning message will pop up. You need to continue anyway, and similarly you have to process again. Click on this remap, click on this arrow and now this time select the right and click on this arrow and click on this drop down and select the disable, and again click OK, and again this warning message will appear up. You need to continue anyway, and again go to the remap a key, plus icon, select the key which you want to now disable, click OK, continue anyway. Later on, if you want to enable the arrow keys, then you again go to the remap key, and here you will see that delete button. You need to click on that to delete all the disabled keys to go back to the normal keyboard. So this way you can easily disable arrow keys on laptop. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.